one-stop shopping.
Best known as a lifting gas, the use of helium has greatly diversified. Cooling magnets in MRI systems now account for 30% of all helium consumption. From helping launch rockets to driving antibiotics deep into the lungs of COVID patients, uses for helium continue to be discovered.
It really becomes more and more important in our lives every day. And that's where our opportunity lies. You have to have more drilling. I started working on this in 1999, off and on, so I put a lot of time and a lot of energy into really understanding what is the actual trapping mechanism for commercial volumes of helium. You can always find little bits, 1 or 2%, but my goal has been to find increased amounts.
Globally, the average well produces under 3 to 4% helium. In Arizona's Holbrook Basin, where Desert Mountain has been exploring, some existing wells have produced around 8% helium on average. Desert Mountain's drilling compares very favorably.
The first 2 wells that we had excellent flow rates, and we had helium values of 5 and to an excess of 7% on the first well. So it confirmed, and we're looking at something to run in excess of 15 years. Very, very steady. And the Holbrook Basin is not tied up with hexane, pentanes, methane, and all the other hydrocarbon molecules. It's tied up with basically what we breathe. 75% is nitrogen. So when you are venting, you're not harming the environment.
In addition to minimizing environmental impact in production, Desert Mountain is doing the same in the processing of helium, which is normally very energy intensive. Instead of relying on the power grid, they're harnessing nearly 270 sunshine days per year.
It's a gift. Why not use this? There's a newer type of solar panel that's been made that uses approximately 92% less lead, 47% less cadmium, and 63% less selenium, all known carcinogens which are in every photovoltaic cell.
With the processing plant nearing completion, 2021 is a year of milestones for the company.
Earlier this year, we had just completed the acceleration of warrants to help bring in all the money that we need to finish doing all of our drilling and production for this year. Towards the end of the year, we will actually be going into operation.
The exploration and development of Desert Mountain Energy's helium deposits will supply U.S. domestic end users with high-grade helium in a commodity experiencing supply constraints.